All right, we're going to try the chapter 16 notes again. So remember, obile dictu is quid si nunc caelum ruat. And we should have a background actually over the I and C. And so the author is our playwright from chapter 3, Terence. And it comes from the play called The Self-Tormentor. Okay. And so what this translates into English as, what if the sky should fall now? Okay. And so this is a proverbial saying for anything regarded as improbable and beyond our power. Let me fix that, make it look a little better. And beyond our power. Okay, so we have something really brief to talk about because we learned about the perfect active tense, and that's pretty important. Okay, pretty important. So they decided to kind of leave just something small in here. And so what we're going to talk about is something called dative of possession. Okay, it's going to be used with forms of sum. Okay, so our forms of being. The person who owns the item will be in the dative case. Okay, so for example, and I'll make this a little bigger here. For example, mihi sunt multi libri, and we should have backgrounds here and here. Now, we know mihi from last year, and we know that it can mean to me or for me. Okay, so literally what this sentence is saying is there are many books for me. Okay. Now, how we can turn that around to be more comfortable in English is to say, I have many books. So in this case, your mihi right here, or the person owning, is going to become the subject of your sentence. And then we're going to use this verb have, not habeo, but have, to translate for sunt. Okay. Now, there are going to be very limited times that this is going to be used, but it is going to start popping up. Okay. So I hope that this video actually works because I'm getting frustrated. It happened twice last week.